So I'm doing this trial 14 days of this app. Okay. Oh, I lost it. Hang on. Beachbody. Can you see that? No, maybe. The Beachbody app. I'll start it again and you can see the beginning. Okay, that didn't work. Trust me, it's called Beachbody app. And it has all these workouts. Okay, workouts. And this one, the Morning Meltdown 100, with this lady, who's pretty cool, but very intense. It asks for a lot of dumbbells, right, to use for your arms. And I am only on day 3. And I have dumbbells that are like, first of all, why am I doing this? But second of all, one, maybe a kilo or no more than 2 kilos on these dumbbells. So I was like, well, hang on a moment. How much does this weigh? Like, it's almost full. Like, this weighs a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, but you know, like doing this, it's not like, so anyway, I have an idea. This is an extension for a suitcase. What if, let's use my neck for a second. What if, oh my God. Wait, does it fit around it? Oh my God, it's the perfect size, people. It's the perfect, does it actually work? Hang on. I don't speak too soon. It's almost like this luggage extension thing was built for Tequila. Look! Now I can easily get a workout. I actually don't think this weighs more than, I don't know if this weighs more than my dumbbells, but I feel like if I'm going to use the dumbbells and it's the same amount, I think this is much better. Then I can use this thing, which I like. This like thing. Working out with my Cuervo to this Beachbody app. Yes, Beachbody. Yeah. Don't get me started on that. But this. Ooh, I like that. I like that because you can do it like this and like you're using your, ooh, that's like an added level. Ooh. I can't believe this fits amazingly perfectly on around the bottle. Oh yeah. Yeah. And then I can go, yeah. Everything is better with tequila and a luggage strap. Let's go. Yeah, I'm checking in my flight with my luggage. It's all I got. It's all I need. It's all you need.